Hello and welcome to another beautiful Christmas market walking tour. Today we find ourselves in the enchanting city of Linz, here in the heart of Austria, where the air feels just a little sweeter and the world seems to slow down beneath the glow of 1,000 tiny lights. I am beginning this video with a place that instantly swept me off my feet the moment I stepped inside. It's called Stiegl-Klosterhof, and trust me, if you ever visit Linz during the Christmas season, this is one of those places that absolutely wraps itself around your heart. As we enter this magical courtyard, the first thing you'll notice is how the atmosphere shifts, almost as if you've walked into a secret winter garden hidden away behind old monastery walls. The trees here are dressed in shimmering ornaments, hundreds of glowing red baubles hanging like sparkling berries, reflecting warm pinkish lights that make everything feel dreamy and softly unreal. It's as if the branches themselves decided to join in the celebration and didn't hold back even the tiniest bit. You can almost feel the joy hanging in the air like a gentle hum. Everywhere around us, little Christmas lights twinkle between the pine trees, creating a warm golden pathway that feels like it's guiding you forward, step by step, deeper into the holiday spirit. And as we walk, I can't help but notice how the whole place smells faintly of pine and winter wood, with maybe a hint of mulled wine floating somewhere in the distance. It's the kind of scent that instantly makes you think of cozy evenings, cinnamon treats, and warm hands tucked into mittens. The kind of scent that feels like Christmas itself. Honestly, places like Steagl-Klosterhof remind me why I adore this season so much. Everything here seems to whisper a little bit of wonder. The glowing ornaments above us feel like suspended stars, and the soft lights wrapped around the trees cast this gentle glow on everyone's faces, making them look so peaceful and content. It's truly like stepping into a Christmas postcard that somehow came alive. I think I'll let the images speak for themselves for a moment. Sometimes words aren't enough, sometimes you just have to let your heart breathe in the beauty. And now we're stepping into one of the most magical scenes in all of Linz. The Christmas market set right in front of the Linzer Mariendom. Just look at this view, this breathtaking cathedral rising above us with its intricate stonework and towering presence, like a gentle giant watching over the festive market below. Even from a distance, the glowing purple lights brushing across its facade make it feel almost ethereal, as if the whole church has decided to dress up in its finest holiday colors for the season. The air feels cool but sweet, the kind of winter chill that nudges you to pull your scarf a little tighter and wrap yourself in the moment. You can hear the soft hum of conversations, the occasional laugh, and the gentle clinking of cups as people enjoy warm punch or hot chocolate. There's a kind of quiet happiness floating everywhere. It's impossible not to feel it settling around you like a cozy blanket. What I love so much about this market is how it blends the old and the new. You have this magnificent cathedral towering above everything, with its stained glass windows and Gothic details. And right beneath it, little stalls offering handmade crafts, candles, ornaments, and the sweetest little Christmas treats. It's like a meeting point of history and holiday magic, a place where centuries of tradition mingle with the simple joys of today. Maybe it's the season, maybe it's the cathedral standing proudly above us, or maybe it's just the glow of Christmas itself, but whatever it is, it makes the whole world feel gentler. If you're enjoying this cozy little Christmas walk with me, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and maybe share this video with someone you care about. It helps me more than you know, and it spreads the warm Christmas spirit to even more people around the world. So thank you, truly, from my heart. And now, my dear friends, we've arrived at the final stop of our Christmas adventure here in Linz, the Christmas Market am Hauptplatz. Just look at this place. It feels like stepping straight into the heart of the holiday spirit. The whole square is glowing, twinkling lights draped across wooden stalls, the soft golden shimmer reflecting on people's faces as they wander through the crowd. Yes, it's busy, and yes, it's a little crowded, but honestly, I adore it. There's something magical about being surrounded by so many people who are all here for the very same reason, to breathe in a little warmth and wonder during this special time of year. As we walk through the square, every direction feels alive. The buildings around the square add so much charm too. Their beautiful facades frame the market like the edges of a postcard, creating a little pocket of magic right in the center of the city. You can almost feel the history beneath your feet, blending with the joy of the moment. And even though there are so many people, everyone seems happy, moving slowly, taking in the sights, smiling with their eyes. There's this shared feeling like we're all part of something warm and luminous, even just for a few minutes. As always, I'll let you soak in the magic of this Christmas market in silence. And as we reach the end of our little Christmas walk together, my heart feels so full. Thank you, truly, for staying with me until the end of the video. It means so much to share these moments with you, to let you join me as I wander through these twinkling winter worlds. If you enjoyed this cozy Christmas stroll, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and maybe share the video with someone who could use a little sparkle today. I'm sending you the warmest, softest Christmas hugs wherever you are. May your days be gentle, your nights be cozy, and may your heart be wrapped in the glow of this season. I can't wait to see you again in the next video. Until then, Merry Christmas!